complimentary breakfast.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, what we've got here for you today, just because you've been standing in the line for so long, is something incredible. There we go. Reg is looking good. Reg is looking good. Len is looking nice and confident. They're raising it up. Hy sê stadig, ek sê vinniger man. 3, 2, 1. That's a bridge on the chin. Daai verdien 'n bietjie van 'n applaus. Ja, ons kan ten minste vir so 'n bietjie applaus gee. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. So amazingly nice to put a bridge on the chin. Here for your entertainment.
Complimentary breakfast.
Jacaranda FM.